information on DNA. Let us stand for deoxyribonucleic acid. Today we will know about some basic topics of DNA. That is, what is DNA, the structure of DNA, function of DNA, and importance of DNA. So let's begin with what is DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and DNA stores genetic information from our past generations to now. And DNA was first discovered by James Watson or Crick in 1953. DNA is located in location of DNA. In eukaryotes, DNA is present in nucleus of chromosome and sometime in mitochondria. And that DNA is known as mitochondrial DNA. Or in prokaryotes, DNA is present in the free space of cytoplasm in prokaryotes. Like in bacteria, the DNA is freely moving all over the cytoplasm. And next, we will know about the structure of DNA. DNA is double helix. So first we will draw inside the DNA. There are nitrogenous base pairs. DNA is made up of nucleotides. Nucleotides is the backbone of DNA, and it has three parts: deoxyribose, sugar, phosphate, sugar, and last, nitrogenous base pair. Outside the DNA, there is deoxyribose sugar or phosphate sugar. Or inside the DNA, there is nitrogenous base pair. And the nitrogenous base pair is of four types: A, C, G, and T. A stands for adenine, C for cytosine, G guanine, and T thymine. They all are paired with each other. A and T and G or C. These are called pairing of nitrogenous base pair. base pairs. It's a parental DNA that replicates, and it's a new leading strand. In replication, enzymes helps. Those enzymes are polymerase and helicase. These help to start the DNA and roll over to the other DNA. So let's zoom it out. We know about the process. We have one parental DNA. First replication starts, and it makes one old DNA or one new DNA strand. It's the old one and it's a new one. Then second replication happens. We got two parental DNA or two daughter or new offspring DNA. It's all about the replication of DNA. And last we will know about importance of DNA. DNA is used